So now you've got your picture formatted. You should have a black and white and a color one. The image should be saved with the name and the size of the square. Once you've done that, the next step's pretty straightforward. You're going to go in Photoshop, you say File, and you are going to save as. You're going to save as Photoshop Raw. Okay, whenever you click Save, you're going to get a little pop-up window, and it's just asking you about the parameters of your RAW file. Now it says the Photoshop RAW file format does not fully encode the image mode and size, among other things. The image may not be fully restored when you reopen the file. That's why we name it like this, so you will know the size. And this is just called PRAW, file type, file creator, all this stuff. Just leave it as it is, interleaved, that's fine. Just say OK, but this little pop-up kind of tells you why we name the file the way we do. Click OK. And it should ask me where I want to save it, which it didn't, so I'm going to do this again. File, save as, saved it to the desktop. Okay, cool, very good. So it should be on the desktop here, and it looks like it is. There it is. The reason we use a RAW file is because it's a common file type for the program we're getting ready to use, which is called Audacity. And you can just do a little search on your computer by hitting the Windows button and then typing in the name of the program. You should have it. And Audacity is like Photoshop for audio. So it does a lot of things that Photoshop does. It just does it to audio instead of images. So we're going to edit our image file in this audio program. The way to do that is to go to File, Import, and we're going to choose Raw Data, okay? Because our image is a raw file. So just like whenever it was coming out of Photoshop, it was kind of asking us about the parameters. Once we've chosen this, it is going to ask us some questions about how we want to encode it, bringing it in. So you're going to get this little pop-up window. Don't just dismiss it. This is really important. You're going to choose ULAW, okay, and then the byte order is Little Indian. Just leave that like it was. And then you're going to do 2 channels. For some reason it created like a stereo audio file. I don't know what in the file told it to do that, but it did. So we're just going to go with that. But these 2 things, they have to be ULAW and Little Indian, or it won't work. Or I don't know if it'll work. I haven't tried all these other ones, but these 2 options are the ones you need to choose. And then you'll say Import, and it brings in your file as an audio wave format, so you can play it. And it just sounds like noise, basically. There is a little bit of a pattern that you can kind of see, and I guess we could zoom in and look at it and maybe sort of decipher some of it, but essentially this is just the noise that the audio program is creating whenever it looks at your photo data. So once that's done, there's a person blowing leaves outside the window. Hopefully you can't hear that. But that's how you get it into Audacity.